Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, where I am finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So today I have another ice cream recipe, and it is going to be made with this dynamic duo, peanut butter and chocolate. So today the recipe is a vanilla ice cream base with peanut butter and chocolate swirled through. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm doing this. I just finished churning some vanilla ice cream, and I am going to quickly put it into this chilled bowl. That way I can fold in the peanut butter. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and take this peanut butter and fold it in. And I'll go ahead and tell you guys that this recipe was inspired by a non-keto recipe from Gemma's Bigger, Bolder Baking. So that's what inspired this recipe. This looks amazing, unbelievable. Look at that, you guys. We have the vanilla base with swirls of chocolate. All right, everyone, the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to now swirl this chocolate throughout this ice cream. And the next step will be in the freezer to harden up, and then it will be ready to eat. And this is just melted chocolate. This is all this is. Because I have 90% cacao, it's really bitter. I put some monk fruit drops in mine. And you can do the same, or you can leave it just as is. It's up to you. And there we have it. All right, so off to these ice cream containers. This will go, and we're not gonna waste anything. And then we're gonna freeze it for probably a minimum of 4 hours, and then it'll be ready to eat. So let me go ahead and put this in these containers, and the next time you guys will see me, I will be serving this up. I'll see you soon. Hello everyone. Okay, this ice cream has set for several hours, and it is now time to taste. Take a look at that. I can see the swirls of the peanut butter and the chocolate all throughout this vanilla ice cream. You guys, I've told you each time I come out here that whatever I had in my hand was my favorite. Today, this is my favorite. Unbelievable. Again, the dynamic duo, chocolate and peanut butter, swirled in vanilla ice cream. How could you not love this? This is good. Not only is it rich, creamy, and you feel or you taste the flavors out of the chocolate and the peanut butter just popping through this vanilla ice cream, it is super simple to make. All you do is make your base vanilla ice cream, and then you take some peanut butter and you fold that in, and you take some melted chocolate and then you swirl that in and you freeze it, and you just have to be a little bit patient for it to harden, and you are all set on your way to a delicious keto friendly ice cream dessert. Yeah, give it a try, you guys, and let me know in the comments below how much you love it. And remember to give this video a thumbs up, please do share, and please do press that subscribe button below. Would love to have you along as part of my YouTube journey. And remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you real soon with another keto-friendly recipe on my next I've Got Something to Say Too. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you soon.